Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Michelle. I'm back again with another video and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna be doing with my hair, which I'm caught between a wash and go and another sleek bun. Like, those are my go-tos, wash and go and sleek bun. So I don't know what I'm gonna do to my hair today. You probably already know what I'm gonna do to my hair by the title. But sometimes you just have one of them days. Anyways, I already took my shot of Patron, okay? I'm gonna show you guys that, or at least tell you guys that when it comes to things that y'all should already know, when it comes to styling your hair, or at least what I've learned from it when it comes to styling my hair and taking care of it and watching it grow and seeing it go from teeny tiny curls to big curls and big fro, I've learned that you want to make sure that you practice a really good routine. Practice conditioning. Not practice, get in the habit of conditioning your hair. Get in the habit of knowing that when your hair feels dry, and we all know what dry feels like, okay? When your hair feels dry, you want to re-moisturize your hair, okay? Don't, this whole month, I'm just gonna wait till I wash my hair again. Oh! My mama be doing that. But that whole month thing, well, I'm gonna wait every 2 weeks, girl. Our hair get dry quicker than that, okay? So I want y'all to get in the practice and in the habit of styling your hair when it is dry, okay? So I'm just gonna part my hair in 4 sections. Keep in mind that if your hair texture is different than mine, you can go ahead and add a little bit more sections before you get in the shower. So the products I'm going to be using to wash my hair, condition it, and make sure it's nice and supple before I actually start whatever style I'm going to be doing with my hair. Probably a wash and go, because I think I did a poll on Instagram and you guys voted for an updated wash and go. So I'm going to be using my 3 butter control system. I've been using this shampoo since I got my hair straightened last year, and I've been loving it ever since. It's just hydrating. Like, my hair loves hydrating products, and my hair likes expensive products, unfortunately. But I'm also going to be going in before I wash my hair with this hydrating detangling source solution source. This is the Matrix BIOLAGE HYDRASOURCE, and this actually has a lot of moisture in it. It helps to detangle my hair, help me get all the knots and tangles out of my hair before I wash my hair. That way my hair is just not experiencing, because once it's dry, it just experiences so many knots and tangles. After that, I rinse the shampoo out, and then I follow up with my Miracle Repair Deep Hydrating Hair Mask from TGIN. Then I'm just going to place a plastic bag and my hot head thermal hair care thing on my head, and I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna style my hair today. I'm back. Alrighty, so my hair is washed, it is detangled. I don't think I got all of my conditioner out, but it's not that big of a deal because it's very little. And my hair is super thick, getting thicker, y'all, getting thicker. And this is a lot. Like, this is stretch. My hair is like a lot, okay? Like, so, alright, I'm gonna resection my hair because I ain't trying to waste time. This is the technique that I decided to just try because I was looking for a faster way to style my hair. I'm gonna add some conditioner first to my hair. A good amount like that should do, just to add moisture to the ends and to make the detangling process a little bit more easier. Then I take a really fine tooth comb and I just section it apart and I put the rest up. I'm gonna wet my hair. Make sure you have a towel on deck for yourself. It can get a little messy. This is like warm water, by the way. I'm gonna take my tangle tweezer. I believe this is a tangle tweezer or tangle tamer. I have to find out the name of this brush, but I'll leave it in the description box for you guys. Then I'm gonna take my avocado mousse. With this mousse, I feel like the way that you should apply it is that you should just constantly keep working it in until your ends and your roots are pretty smooth. And also until you see that curl pattern that you have pop. Because before I used to just apply the mousse, just thinking that it should just do the work on its own, but you have to really work the product in. So that should be good enough. Then I'm going to take my extreme gel and then I'm going to apply this like I would a relaxer in a sense. I will apply it to my root, just a good amount, and then to the under root, and then the rest down the strands. Then I'll take a little bit more gel and then define my ends. Not too much gel, because what I also noticed is that if you put too much gel, add too much product, it takes forever for your hair to dry. So my hair is already somewhat drying up, which is a good thing. Then I'm going to take my brush and I'm just going to brush out my curls to the pattern it has and let it pop on its own. And as you see, I'm just kind of like helping it like shrink up a bit. What I'm more so concerned when it comes to my wash and goes is my roots staying frozen, like so that they're not frizzing throughout the days that I'm wearing my wash and go, and my ends, because I do stretch my hair at night. So if my ends are frizzy once it dries, my wash and go ain't gonna last long. So make sure you pay attention to that when you're doing your wash and goes, especially if you have type 4 hair like myself. I feel like I don't think I necessarily have 3C hair. Maybe I do, but I feel like because my texture is semi like fine to medium, it gives it that illusion. Don't have to overdo it. Once you get the hang of this technique, then you can apply it as you feel best fit your hair type.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Now you see, I do have some frizzy spots, like really frizzy spots. So some of these, I don't know if you can tell, they're pretty frizzy. They're defined, but if I were to like dry that in this state, what will happen is all of the rest of my curls will be defined. Then I'll have this big afro puff right in between my curls, and my wash and go won't last long. So what I like to do is just the frizzy parts I redefine by twisting it just a bit, just to tighten it up because it's slightly loose. Or I'll just add more gel and pull on it.
Through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So my hair is pretty much, I would say, semi-dry. It's not completely dry. I would have this underneath the dryer just to freeze my roots so that when it does dry completely, when I go in with the diffuser and I stretch my hair at night, everything just looks picture perfect. But I'll probably end up doing that tonight, sitting underneath the hooded dryer. But I just wanted to show you guys the finished results.